God, how can it be endured? Such strange grief as is for the young child, the son of the prized king of Castile, from whom never did any man ever depart sorrowful, nor without counsel, nor ill-counseled. For in him was all the worth restored of King Arthur, whom they tell of and recount, where all those in need found counsel. Now he's dead who should have been a guy, the best in the world of all the good young men. When it must be finished is the grief for him than when it began. For he was placed in such high place that never was any man so ill-starred from his mother that he could not be fortunate there at all times. So I can say that paradise in my view is such a court where no one is in need. He should well have been Ferdinand, leader and guide, if it had pleased God that he loved this world so much. The fair one and the good one in every gracious deed, the generous and the noble, the worthy and the cherished, in whom one thought were bettered. The young king and lord, Richard the prize and Lord Geoffrey, all the three worthy brothers, whom he resembled in body and in features, and the father in worth and in all goods, who now is grief for prowess and for gifts. Never was a young king born or raised from the river Jordan to the setting sun, for whom there was such grief since the giants were born. For the French make grief for him and great cries, and the English all those of both kingdoms, the Germans all his rich kindred, the lords of the world, and the worthy emperor in Saxony, Spain, and Aragon. For there is no Christian in the world of any land who would not be his liegeman or of his kin. But he was above all chosen in the best place, if he had lived one more year to serve God with heart and with desire. Fountain of fair gifts, wall against the Arabs, son of the seas, April renewed, mirror of the world, with whom worth reigned. What more shall I say? For no one knows how